to be spending my day with you today. And yun nga, sabi po nila kanina, this is the perfect spot and place to do your Christmas shopping from your family, for your family and your friends. And I'm not only here as an actress but today, I'm here as an entrepreneur. May booth po ako. So if you have time, please visit my booth. And thank you so much for helping me be a part of today. Also, a percentage of what you spend po here will go to the Kapuso Foundation and will be helping, you know, yung mga tao po na nasalanta from the past typhoon. So, isn't that great? We are sharing the spirit of Christmas by giving, not just receiving. So, thank you po. Thank you so much po.
Ayan, hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po pala si Kay Alcantara. At gusto ko rin pong pasalamat sa Noel Bazaar for inviting us dito. And syempre, gusto ko rin pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng tao na nandito. Syempre sa mga merchants. Dahil sinabi nga po ni Ate Kylie na... makakatulong din po tayo sa mga nasalanta ng mga bagyo na dumaan sa ating bansa. At nasa napakaraming pang foundation. So, maraming salamat po again. And this is the happiest season of all. Malapit na po tayo mag-Christmas. So, sana po magbigay po tayo ng pagmamahal at suporta sa lahat ng ating kamag-anak, sa ating mga kaibigan, sa ating pamilya. So, ayun po, maraming salamat. And let's give and receive love this Christmas.
Alright, once again, let's give it up for Miss Kylie Padilla and Kylie Alcantara, our Jimmy Kapuso ambassadors. Alright, there you have it.
Sabes que mi mundo gira para ti. Eres todo para mí. Tú lo eres todo, tú lo eres. Tú lo eres todo, tú lo eres. Tú lo eres todo, tú lo eres.